Well, a little bit of a different project here in the shop today. We got a very good customer's 2016 Challenger SRT8. It's going to get a pretty good list of engine mods, hoping to make some horsepower out of this thing for them. We're going to start by pulling the engine out. We're going to do a set of drop-in forged pistons and connecting rods. We're going to do a Texas speed camshaft, valve spring upgrade, push rods, ARP fasteners. We're also going to add a McLeod dual disc clutch into this thing, and to top it all off, it's going to get a ProCharger setup. Kind of excited and not at the same time. Not a lot of working room in this thing, so we're going to get this thing up in the hoist. We're going to start underneath, unbolting exhaust, engine mounts, anything that's got to be disconnected under there. Probably start pulling the front fascia and the rad support so we can pull the engine clutch all at once. That'll also save us some time on the ProCharger install. We have a very long ways to go before we're done. We're gonna have a fucking word or two. Well, they got these really nice lock clips on there, and they don't want to come off. We're going to take this plastic and we're going to stick it on the fenders, so when we're working over the side, we can still use a regular fender cover, but we don't have to worry about any debris on the back side of the cover if there is any or something would happen. It's kind of a protective plastic film. Better if I could find the end of the fucking roll here. Man, this stuff sucks. Hey, Ronson. Come here a minute.
What can I do you for, boss?
Hold the end of that.
Like so?
Well, it's glue on both sides, so pull.
Oh man.
Stick that on right on the fender. Stick her on there for me, would you? Okay, I'll do this side too. Carry on, we're going to take this impact absorber off, headlights, airbox, probably disconnect some coolant hoses, and we're going to pull this rad support headlight structure out, whatever you want to call it. Definitely welded.
So you're putting these bolts back in now?
Uh-huh.
You just took them out?
Yeah.
What's the reason?
Because at the fucking Chrysler plant, they decided to spot weld this little tab on there. You know, 8 bolts isn't enough to hold this little bumper on. I don't know what the purpose of the bolts is if you're gonna fucking weld it. I'm over it.
You've only just begun.
Mm-hmm. I know.
You haven't even got to the fun stuff yet.
No, I know, that's why I'm over it. Like, I could have dropped the entire K-frame out the bottom, but I would have made putting this fucking, I would still have to take this entire front, like, I wouldn't have had to pull this, but I still would have had to pull the fascia and all that bullshit off to put the charger back in. Yeah, half the car still fell apart. I mean, if we were doing just the ProCharger, then I wouldn't have to worry about, you know, that shit. Yeah, the hood's gonna come off, and then while it's in your guys' hands, you may as well just take it right upstairs.
Okay. Upstairs? We might.
I would say
find a suitable location.
lunchroom,
True. Okay.
like against the wall somewhere.
Tucked away where it's going to get touched.
Ready? Hold on to that corner, because it's gonna want to slide down. Got it? Thanks, boys.
Yeah.
Good job. Go team.
Oh, yeah.
Is that better? Is that better for your lighting situation?
That's a hell of a lot better.
I'm gonna start working on engine stuff now. Peel the plastic trim and covers off. The intake's gotta come off, and then we'll get the last of the bell housing bolts out and the engine mounts, and we're gonna get this engine pulled out of here. What the fuck did you stupid fucks do here? Look at this shit. Fuck me. So the bolt is too long to come out, it hits the body. So you take it out with the alternator, but then they put this other dumb fucking bracket on that goes to the back of the engine mount. Because 3 bolts for an alternator are not enough. I don't know what that bracket's for. It's adding no strength to the engine mount, I'll tell you that much. So today we started with a complete running driving car. On a mission to make some big horsepower out of this thing. As you can see, we've got the front fascia off, the hood off, fender liners are out, part of the exhaust is out, and we're only about an hour or so away from pulling this engine out. So that's where we're going to pick up tomorrow and start tear down, and then off to the machine shop with it. Cat right there.